Hey planner babes, it's Lacey with Living with Lacey. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me here today. Well guys, y'all know it is that time of the month. I've just received my July subscription box from Cloth and Paper and I am excited to get into this. Y'all know what? I have only seen, I think, maybe 2 sneak peeks and that's it. So I'm gonna be just as surprised as you are going through this. Really excited about it. I look forward to this box every month. I don't know about y'all, but every month I look forward to it. All right, so when you get the box, for those of you who are new, there's a card that says what's inside, and then it's an explanation about what's inside, and then on the back there's a picture. So I'm going to start with this big thing right here. This is the Everyday Pencil Pouch. It says store all your favorite pens and pencils in one place with our Everyday Pencil Pouch, slim and sleek. This pouch was designed with a busy go-getter in mind. Throw this in your backpack or tote bag and impress your clients with your vast collection of writing tools. All right, nice zipper. Y'all know what the test is, right? Oh, good. I love this. Has cloth and paper on the inside. Y'all know what the test is for me, right? The test is, will it fit a Tombow marker? Look at that. Y'all know some of those you have to force them in there. It fits Tombow markers perfectly. Yes. I love it. I love this. All right. I think I'm going to use this just for Tombows. Like I'm just going to get my, whole collection of Tombows and just put them in here. That's perfect. Okay, I'm going to open this. Okay, I didn't see this as a sneak peek. This is a red editing pen. Editing pen. So it says, ideas are rarely perfect on the first go. Use our red editing pen to button up your ideas to something you'd be proud to put your name on. This is a nice red pen. I like the way it writes too. All right, next we have Brainstorm Sticky Notes. See if I can find that. Brainstorm Sticky Notes. It says built to live on your desk. Our Brainstorm Sticky Note is ready for those spur of the moment ideas. Keep your thoughts organized in each circle. So the circle says, make sure y'all can see this. It says new ideas, current thoughts, important task, and on hold. And there's 50 sheets on here. Okay, I like that. And you just keep it right there on your desk. Okay, so these are stickers that we're getting. Let's see, this is the Hustle Icon sticker set. You maintain your content schedule with our Hustle Icon sticker set built to pair our creative planning bundle. Know precisely when you're sending that promotional email or show-stopping Instagram reel with the help of these handy icon stickers. Let's see, this is what they look like. Okay, y'all see that? And then we have the next one. So these are icons. This next one is stickers that says, like if you're having a collaboration with someone, you're gonna post, edit, schedule, approved, deadline. These are Eclipse stickers. I love these colors. And y'all know, look, it's a theme with these colors, guys. This green, tan, cream. And we have 2 of those. Okay, I love those. All right, this next item is the Eclipse Sticky Notes. Looks, and this, I was getting ready to say it looks very matte. It is matte. So that's how it looks on the back. It's very matte. I love these. Use a Sharpie or your Uni pen for this. All right, good. Okay, sticky notes. Y'all know I'm very happy when I get dashboards, inserts, and sticky notes. When I get those, happy. Okay, I didn't see this. Let's see what this is. Oh, maybe this is where I use this. All right, so this is the storyboard, just a storyboard cover. When it comes to the creative process, we know the first draft usually isn't the last. Our clear storyboard cover was designed with moving ideas in mind, built to fit our Eclipse sticky notes perfectly. Flush out your best ideas from start to finish. Oh man, this is great. This will help me with my blog as well. I'm gonna take this off of here. Come on off. And then you can just put your ideas right here. All right, so this is the vertical weekly Sunday start. We got these in the last box. If you can remember, this it has goals, then intentions, and then your bills due, and you can do a little to-do list right here, notes over here on the side, and then this is the part I absolutely love. Now last time she gave us 2 months. Looks like we only got 1 this time. So we got July and August last time, and then this is September. All right, so this says creative overview, has important dates, and then you can either do a tracker right here. Looks like you can possibly track. She didn't give us one of, let me check. Let me see. Nope, she didn't. They usually give us a little sheet showing you how to use this, but you can also track the things that you're doing right here as well. Okay, creative overview. Love that. Okay, I usually don't like bundles, but let's check this out. This is a creative planning bundle. All right, so we open it up to a grid, and then there's a client request. Has name, contact, description, budget, issue date, due date, and then some notes, and then ideas at the bottom. Okay, and that's all about client requests. Oh. Okay. So all of this is client request. All of this is client request. Okay. Then we have, right, next after client request, I'm sorry, y'all, I'm just trying to figure out, like, what is this? Okay, client request. Then we have a monthly overview of the month, and then there's campaigns, topic, media, time frame. And then it has your projects where you have your focus and your time frame and your ideas. It keeps going from focus, time frame, ideas. Okay, projects. Okay, so it's a bundle, but it only has basically client request, then a monthly overview, then 2 projects that you're doing. Okay, let's see what it said about that. We know how hard it is to keep all your projects streamlined and in one place. We created our creative planning bundle to help keep you on track, even if it's a putting out fires kind of day. Flush out your content calendar while keeping track of the specific needs of each of your clients. Okay, so I'm gonna find a way to reuse this because I don't actually have clients, but stay tuned. All right, the next thing we have. All right, so we have this little opaque September card. And then we have a journaling card that says creative thinking, problem solution, diverge and converge. Okay. Creates choices and makes choices. And then we have another card that says abundance. Abundance comes from within. It comes from thought, intention, attention, and expectation. A flow of happiness and abundance will manifest when you have reached the deepest level of self. All right. So that is it for our cloth and paper box for July. So let's go over it again. So we have I guess we'd like to say a creative planning bundle. And like I said, we're gonna have to find ways to use this differently if you don't have any clients. So we got this creative planning bundle. There's a creative overview with important dates. We have some sticky notes as well as some stickers, some hustle stickers. We have a storyboard for planning, and then the abundance, creative thinking, and our new calendar, as well as weekly for September, and some sticky notes, and of course a pencil bag. All right, a little pencil pouch, everyday pencil pouch. Hey guys, let me know what you think about this box. I'm kind of indifferent about it this time, and I was really excited about it being for like content creators and side hustles, but I think it went too far away from where I am. So I'll think about repurposing what I can do to repurpose this bundle. Y'all let me know what you're thinking. If you're getting this box or you've gotten your box, I want to know how you feel about the box. What's your favorite thing in the box? What's your least favorite thing in the box? I really want to have a conversation about this box because this was not what I was thinking. And y'all know I'm fans of cloth and paper. But this is not what I was thinking. But I will find a different way to use it. And I'm going to find a way for all of us to use it. All right. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you have not clicked on the notification bell, click on that bell. And don't forget to subscribe if you hadn't. Don't forget, take charge of your life, one plan at a time. See you on the next video.